You wake up Monday morning and you already know something slipped through the cracks over the weekend. A follow-up you meant to make. An offer that aged out. A client who went cold because you never called back. You're not disorganized, you're drowning in the wrong tools. And somewhere in that mess, a commission you already earned is quietly disappearing. You've got active listings sitting in limbo and you have no clean way to see which ones are pending, which are aging, and which clients are waiting on a call. You're working from memory and sticky notes. Deals go cold not because you stopped caring, but because there's no single place showing you exactly where your pipeline is stuck right now. You're writing offers the same way you always have, on instinct and habit. But you have no idea which offer strategies actually get accepted and which ones are quietly killing your deals. You're burning time, burning client trust, and repeating the same losing approaches because nothing has ever shown you what's actually working and what isn't. Month-end rolls around and you're digging through 3 different spreadsheets trying to piece together what you actually made. Close dates here. Sale prices there. Commission amounts buried in an email thread somewhere. You can't see totals by month. You can't spot slow periods coming. Revenue is a mystery you solve too late, every single time. There's a better way to run your business. The Real Estate Property and Client Tracker is a Microsoft Access database that puts every client, listing, and offer in one place. When you open it, the main menu lays out every tool you need, organized, immediate, and ready to use on any Windows PC today. This is the List by Status report. Every listing on your board, grouped by status: active, pending, sold, with days on market and both list and sale price visible at a glance. Filter by state, date range, or status in seconds. You can see exactly which properties are aging and which clients need a call today. No more guessing. No more deals going cold because something got buried. This is the accept rate report. Every offer type you've ever written, ranked by acceptance rate and average net offer, all in one clean view. Filter by offer type and date range to see what's actually winning deals versus what's wasting everyone's time. You stop repeating the strategies that never work and start going into every negotiation backed by real data instead of gut instinct. This is the COM by month report. Every closed month laid out with total count, total sale price, commission amount, and average commission rate, all filterable by property type or state. You can see exactly where your revenue is coming from and spot the slow months before they hit your cash flow. Month end is no longer a scramble. Your commission picture is always one click away. This is a one-time download. No subscription. No monthly fee. No expiration date. You own it forever and it works on any Windows PC today. If spreadsheet chaos is costing you commissions and clients, the answer is already built and waiting for you. Click the link below and get it today.